Hello everyone! Look what came in the mail today. I'm so excited to get the July 2020 Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin Kit. Are you guys loving the fact that it comes cellophane wrapped now? So the box is always nice and fabulous with no labels on it or anything. So it's a nice clean box. I absolutely love that. Also, did you know that you can turn them inside out so that you can use them perfect for mailing and writing on? I will show you how to do that once we open this up and check it out. So this one is called Summer Nights, and I am so excited. Let's open it up. Like, look at these colors. Aren't these colors just so fabulous? It like screams unicorn. And there is still the Summer Nights add-on, which has what am I thinking? It has 20 note cards and envelopes. I'm sorry, 24 note cards and envelopes so that you can make additional cards that coordinate with this set. So how fabulous is that? As you can see, the item number 154937 for just $10 for 24 card bases and envelopes. It's super, super fabulous. Even if you don't get Paper Pumpkin, you can still enjoy that. So it looks like the ink spot is Blackberry Bliss. So we went with that dark purple out of all of those fabulous colors. And our stamps, we have this that totally looks like the things in the sky, 4th of July, and why is my mind going completely blank on it? Fireworks. So we have fireworks or a fun little burst that you could always use too. Of course, here's a little stick to go with that, a lightning bug, a couple other like little star images, a little mason jar or just a little jar to hang a lantern in or put your little fireflies in. And then, of course, there are greetings. There's when, where, RSVP, you're invited, it's a party, you light up my life, and this big one says, oh, the summer nights are all right with everything magic and bright. So super, super fabulous. Loving that. I really love that. I feel like there's so many things to do with it, and that would be super fun. You can always curve this line so that it makes it look like it's hanging and it's like a swag. Love it. This paper seems very, very like perfect. I feel like I need to reuse it another time. Normally I like Wolverine into one of these kits, but I feel like I should be gentle so I can preserve the paper. It's so fun. Paper Pumpkin is like a birthday gift to me every month, and I absolutely love that. So let's open this up and see what is inside. Okay, so of course we have the instructions. Look how gorgeous those are. I think that one is probably my favorite. Hey, look, there's all of them on that fabulous little like lantern string. So super, super cute. But I think I just love the fireworks there. That one's super fun with the Ferris wheel, although we're not really enjoying Ferris wheel rides and festivals this year, but we can still enjoy the fun of making cards with that. Kind of like the fact that I enjoy flowers and making cards with that, but having blooming flowers in my house makes my allergies go crazy. So, you know, you can always stamp with the things that you wish you had. Like maybe if you're on the beach, then you can stamp snowflakes because you probably aren't getting snow on the beach. Of course, all the instructions are on the inside. Don't forget that there's that ruler down at the bottom so that you have that perfect amount of ribbon used. And then here are some alternative options on the back that you can also try out. So here we have a little bit of Night of Navy baker's twine and some mini dimensionals as well as some mini glue dots. Let's see if I can place this up there so you guys can still see those. This is what I'm super excited about. Oh, look how gorgeous those are. They're like gold glittered, like they're actually like kind of thick. They're like those little like puff stickers or something. I don't really know what those are called, but these are gorgeous. I can't wait to use those. And we have all of our little bags. The treat bags here, which of course they don't have to be used as treat bags. They can also be used as lanterns. Look how fun that is with, it would be super fun to put different colors in each of these down your sidewalk or on your back patio. After all, we have to have so much fun playing with what we have at home. And this will just make the evening super fun. I know Claire would love to have all these little lanterns out, although to be honest, she's in bed before it gets officially dark. So that probably won't happen. Maybe not this summer, maybe I'll save them for next summer. But yeah, look at all of those. There's a whole mess of those. And then we have card bases. So, oh, these are actually postcard style cards. So the backs are white, and then of course you can decorate the front. So there are 3 of these. It looks like there's 3 each of the 4 designs. And then this one totally looks like a comet should be floating by or something. And then 3 more. And, oh, actually, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. These aren't actually cards. These are those treat bags. And so there are 3, 6, 9 of the actual cards. And then there's all the treat bags. Let's see. There are a total of, and it doesn't actually say back there on how many there is. It says that they're in there, but it doesn't mention how many. So we have the 9 cards, and of course there's all of those bags. And then there's Whisper white envelopes to go with everything. And then here's all of our little die cut pieces. So you can see there's that fun Ferris wheel and roller coaster. There's all the different sizes and styles and colors of the little lanterns. Of course, the ladybugs. Do you guys call them ladybugs or fireflies? I feel like that's like the same word, but different areas call it different things. I always call them, or wait, not ladybugs, lightning bugs. Lightning bugs or fireflies. We always call them lightning bugs. And then of course there's the stars. So there's 4 sheets of that. Look at these. They are like vellum mason jars. So you can see they're vellum, but they still have that gold foil trim. So that's super fun. And then of course we have all of these labels. And if you notice, these are actually the same labels as the Tasteful Textures suite. And they have that embossed look. So I hope you can see how it's embossed up top there. And you can see it's embossed. And then of course this one's also embossed. So super, super fun to be able to have embossed labels, but they also coordinate so well with the framelits that we already carry. So that is super, super fabulous. Let's bring in all of those goodies. I can't wait to assemble these and figure out what I want to do with all of these little bags. Let's see, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 9 cards and 10 of the bags. I almost think to add some sort of maybe blue or red cardstock to the inside of this and put it over top of that to make it peek through and make these into little treat bags would be super, super fun. Maybe even like a fun little teacher gift for back to school or something like that, like enjoy my little firecracker. Hopefully she's not too hard to handle or something like that. But isn't that super cute? So anyway, that is the July 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'm sorry, I'm using a new camera and I'm trying to get used to the fact that I don't have to turn things upside down anymore. So bear with me on that. But that is everything for the July 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Summer Nights. Of course, I'll be posting the finished project of all of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com. Don't forget that you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin before August 10th and join in the fun. I will leave a link down below for that, as well as a link to join my mailing list and get all of the updated information on promotions, ideas, inspiration, and so much more. Of course, when you sign up, you also get a free card making cheat sheet to get started on all the fun. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.